Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make German pancakes, or also known as Dutch baby. These have been a family favorite for many years. They're so good, are really quick and easy, and only require 4 ingredients. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then add a stick of butter into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Try and use a stone or glass pan because they stay hot longer after baking. If you use a metal or non-stick pan, they cool fast. Place the pan into the oven until the butter is melted, watching it carefully to make sure it doesn't burn. Then into a blender, add in the eggs, milk, and flour, and blend them until they're smooth. If there's flour clinging to the sides, then you need to scrape down the sides to make sure it gets mixed in. When the butter has melted, remove the pan from the oven. Slowly pour the batter into the pan. Don't pour it in too quickly. You don't want it to go from hot to cold too quickly, or the pan might break, which has happened to me once. And bake it in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're puffed up and golden brown. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let it cool slightly. And it must be served while it's still hot because they will deflate as they cool. They're still good when they cool, but for best results, serve it hot. And that's how to make German pancakes, or Dutch baby. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.